Hey guys, I've gotten some BB guns and airsoft gun, and well, the airsoft gun, the FAMAS, is new. Okay. Just take out the mag, fill it with this. Until it fills up to the top. Yeah, it's kind of like halfway. So, just put it in there. Like this. Push it in there. Okay. Take it out. Just one BB should always come out. Then put it back in. Then we'll set up a water bottle right there to shoot. It's kind of hard, but it doesn't really line up right. The sights. You just hop on. This is normal. Well, see, some BBs got stuck in there, so I don't think it's shooting right. So, let's see. Check those out. Okay, there's one more, I think. There's like a whole bunch in there. Okay, I think I got them all. So, put it back in there. Now, you can shoot. Oh. Yeah, the sights don't really line up that good. Yeah. So, then the next gun that I have is this one. The stock broke off on it right here. So, yeah, just load it like that, put it back. Then cock it a couple times. And then aim and shoot. Got it there. So, yeah, and safety's there. And then the next gun that I have is this one. Is a same gun, but it's better, has 770 FPS, and same thing, pull it back. It's got a cross-haired scope. Like that. See it like that? So, it's kind of hard to line up the scope with it, because you have to shoot like a little bit above it. So yeah, I didn't get it there. And then the next gun that I have is this one right here, Red Ryder. So it's my first gun that I got, and it's pretty good. See. So yeah, the sights aren't that good, but on this one it's pretty good. So yeah, I also have Airsoft BBs here, and then some came in this little package when I got the FAMAS. And for the BB guns, I have this. Yeah, these are metal, Airsoft plastic. Yeah, so that's my gun collection. Thanks for watching.